The next topic which I'll be coming with the Chalcolithic Age. As I've already said here, the Stone Age was followed by the Copper Stone Age known as the Chalcolithic Age, when people used stones as well as metals. Here, people did not only use stones but metals. The process of man from the old Stone Age to the new Stone Age was a process of gradual evaluation, that is, an improvement in the technique of living and discoveries such as fire and cultivation of crops. In the previous videos or in the previous parts, you may have seen that I have said the invention. Many things have been invented. People know how to make cloths, poetry, invention of wheel, prehistoric art they knew. Then fire came, tools came, and many things came. It was an improvement in the technique of living with the discovery of many things. But one of the major discovery that proved a vital leap in the direction of the modern cultivation was the discovery and the use of metals. This is also a very important direction of modern cultivation. The period when stone was used along with metal is called Chalcolithic Age. Here it is said the period which when stone was used along with metal is known as Chalcolithic Age. The first metal discovery was copper. Chalkos in Greek means copper. They could now have utensils and even jewelry with metal. Now we have jewelry and utensils with metal. And chalkos, which is chalkos in Greek, means copper. And first metal which was discovered was copper. So the last topic which I will be discussing is religious belief. We have no idea exact to whom or how early man worshipped. Many cave paintings have been discovered in France, Spain, and in India. From the cave paintings, we can guess the early people were great artists. As I've already said you, that people used to paint. You may ask how they did not know how to read and write, but they know how to paint, and we have no idea, and we don't to whom they used to pray. Maybe they did not understand natural happenings such as sunrise, sunset, cloud formation, rain, or even forest fire. The early people could not know when did the sun rise, when did the sun set, how did cloud formation form, rain, or even fires. If the sun rises, we know that the sun has risen. If the sun has set, then we know sun set. The thing that confused them the most was death and what happened after death. Here it is said the people was more confused of dead, is this dead or alive, and what would happen after death. They buried the body along with the things used by the persons. They may have think that the person was going on another journey and would need things like pots and cloths. Here it is said when a person died, they used to buried all the things with that person used along the journey. They used to think that people was going on another journey and would need things like pots and cloths. From being nomads and food gatherers, early humans had progressed to settle life of food producer. Here it is saying, from being nomads and food gatherers, the early men have progressed to settle a life of food producer. They now started discovering new methods of doing things which made them their life more comfortable. Here it means that they started discovering new methods of doing things which made them their life more comfortable, but still they lacked one thing. They did not know how to write. Writing came at a later stage. Still here we know that still Chalcolithic Age the people did not know how to read and write, and writing came in the later stage of the period.